Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook Sabzi Polo ba mahi, the special meal for the night before Nowruz. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. The ingredients: onion 2 medium, garlic 2 cloves, lime juice as you need, tomato paste 1 tablespoon, aromatic vegetables 150 grams, walnuts 50 grams, sour pomegranate paste 4 tablespoons, a special fish seasoning 2 tablespoons, salt, turmeric, black pepper as you need, fish 1 big, rice 2 cups, and vegetables 300 grams. First of all, we're gonna marinate the fish. To do this, add some lime juice, salt, turmeric, black pepper, and a special fish seasoning containing garlic powder, ginger powder, turmeric, and black pepper. Stir till mixed completely. Take a large fish. I chose trout. Wash and clean it and remove the fish bones. Then marinate inside and outside the fish with the mixture we prepared. Let it rest for about 1 or 2 hours in the fridge. We make the sauce for the inside of the fish. Let's start with the onion. Peel 1 medium-sized onion and chop it finely. Then saute the chopped onion in a pan with a little oil. Peel 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, chop them finely, and add them to the onions. When the onions soften and their color changes a little. Saute garlic with onion until you can smell garlic. Then add the aromatic vegetables containing mint, leek, parsley, cilantro, fenugreek, and chuchaq, that is an aromatic vegetable from north of Iran. In north of Iran, They mince these vegetables all together finely and use them to cook stuffed fish or chicken. Sauté vegetables with garlic and onion. Meanwhile, chop the walnuts finely. When the vegetables darken, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to them and sauté again. Next, add the chopped walnuts to the pan and mix with vegetables. Add some of the fish seasoning to the pan and a little salt as well. Mix and sauté well. Now it's time to add pomegranate paste. Stir till mixed well and then put the mixture aside till cools. Since I'm gonna roast the fish in the oven, I peel an onion and slice it to put in the baking sheet below the fish, so that the fish won't stick to the sheet. You can use other vegetables like carrots, potatoes, or whatever you like. Put the fish on the onion slices and then stuff the fish with the mixture of vegetables that we prepared before. Do not put too much vegetables inside the fish so that when it is cooked, the mixture won't come out of the fish. Now you should close the fish belly. You can either sew it or use the toothpicks to fix the fish belly. Then you can put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Meanwhile, you can cook the rice with vegetables. You need to soak rice in water and salt some hours before you cook it. Then, boil some water and add the rice with its salt to the boiling water and let boil. When the rice starts boiling with water, you can add the minced vegetables containing leek, parsley, dill, garlic leaves, and let it boil till half cooked. Then drain the rice. Now add a little oil to a pot, and when it is hot, add the mixture of rice and vegetables to the pot. Pour a little oil and water on the rice, put the lid, and let it cook for about an hour. Rice is ready to serve. And look at this delicious fish. Bon appetit! Don't forget to follow us on other social networks. Please recommend our channel to your friends, and Happy New Year!